It's very cold here. This morning, any colder and there would be a frost on the ground. I've put 2 pairs of leggings on, 2 tops, a jumper and a jacket on. I've tucked everything into each other to try and stay warm. I've even got the top I've been saving just for sleeping in on. Oh, it's really cold. I was hoping I'd packed my gloves, but I haven't because it's summer. It's so cold I just want to start walking, but I can't yet because I've got to catch the bus and train to the start point today, so I can't start yet. I just want to start walking. I've decided today that because I'm staying in this campsite 2 nights, I'm going to leave my sleep system here, my sleeping bag, my sleeping mat and my tent. Also because it's so wet, I don't want to pack it up right now. And also because everyone is still in their tents. I don't want to make too much noise. I'm not doing this to get out of carrying the weight because I actually enjoy the training of it, but it just makes no sense to carry it when I'm staying here again tonight. I don't care what anyone says, German transport is not efficient. My bus was late, so I missed the train, and then I try and buy a ticket and it doesn't recognise the station. Turns out I had to press this random button, and then it takes forever to give me my money back and I have to run for the train. And I hope this is the train coming now. Just got off the train, immediately climbed 400 feet in steps, overtook 3 girls playing Gwen Stefani very loudly in the woods on their speakers, and now I'm walking alone again, which is how I like it. Stage 6, stage 7, I don't know. They're all starting to blur. I have a feeling this is going to be the main star of the show. And it's only the first 15 minutes of the walk. I think Shona City might be a bit of an overstatement, considering I can see about 5 houses and a barn. I'm not gonna lie, this part of the walk isn't very interesting at all. It's just mostly road walking in very quiet, not very scenic villages. I'm so bored that I'm thinking about eating. That's what I do when I'm at home, because I'm bored, I just eat. Normally when I'm on holiday or doing something I love, I lose weight. But today I'm just thinking about food, and I'm gonna start writing a to-do list to keep my mind occupied. And I've already told myself where I'm gonna stop for tea and coffee, just so I have a waypoint and a motivational stop. So far, I wouldn't recommend this stage just because it's not very interesting. But I've started, so keep going. All my biscuits have melted together.
Okay, yeah, that's...
More biscuit for me, that's what that means. Just finished the walk. Going back to the campsite now. I met Fabian about an hour in to the walk, which is good because I think otherwise it would have been very boring. We just finished the walk and had a coffee and ice cream in town. And now I'm gonna have a shower. I need to wash. I've been smelling myself all day. And then I'm gonna go back and drink tea until the cafe closes. Coffee. Ice cream.
Ja, gut. Gut. Tschüss. Reichenberg, gut, ne?